Here is video number 3 on the review series. And we're doing the Warship this time. I have 2 of them. An Origio Burst and a Tournament. And I'd like to get another one, maybe in the Revive Plastic or VIP. But anyway, it's a good disc, it's a good mid-range, it's one of the only 2 mid-ranges that I bag, and it's the only trilogy mid-range that I bag. It works good, it's reliable, it throws straight. If I could demonstrate I would, but there's plenty of videos if you really want to get an in-depth look into the Westside Discs Warship. There's plenty of videos you can do for that. So it's a good disc. Get one if you don't already have one, and if you do have one, get another one, and if you have 2, get 3. So I'm looking to get another one because I like them so much. You can see it down here. I like it so much I got the shirt too from Westside Discs. You let me know. I know whoever watches these videos typically doesn't leave comments or likes or anything, and I really don't care about that. But if you do just happen to leave a comment, let me know which disc you want me to do next. Harp, Crown, and if I don't get any comments, I'll do a completely different disc. And that's all, folks. Good day.